Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTbase.com. Welcome to a weekly COT review. Today I just want to announce that CFTC is back again, starting to publish those reports that were missing. As you may know, there was a cyber-related incident, as they call it, that affected their ability to issue these Commitments of Traders reports. It seems that this has been resolved and they're going to be publishing these reports, and by mid-March, the publications should come back to a timely manner. So, of course, COT Base has updated its system as well, but it is showing the last report, the fifth report, the report that they've just issued on Friday. So they're going to be issuing these reports probably more regularly now, just to come up to date, roughly in mid-March. So it's not really, I don't really see a point in going into analyzing this report because it is showing a picture from the 31st of January. So, and now going into the last days of February, I don't think there's too much point. But it is interesting to see that at that time we had a bearish COT chain signal in orange juice and a much greater extreme. So I figured I might as well just show you what the market has done since then. So for those who are just joining, the effectiveness of COT analysis in action. So when there's a larger change in traders' positions combined with an extreme in the market, here on the market, this can be witnessed over here that basically 31st was somewhere over here, and we're getting this bearish reading from the COT chain signal, also an extreme, and essentially it seems as if we might have reached a top. We will see. It's good to see that the iCOT intraday indicator, our own indicator, is showing these bearish signals as the market is headed higher. So it's just, good to see what has happened since then. Usually these weekly reviews are, of course, showing you the latest action, and now we get a chance to examine what happened in the past. So we're probably going to be back up to date in mid-March, as CFTC is stating. And you know what? Might as well just show you what the intraday indicator can do. So you can see that this is the iCOT intraday indicator with AfterSignal, giving you sell by signals as well. And as the market was headed higher, we can see how well the system caught this top. Of course, we should give it some time. So for the medium to long-term traders, we should see what's going to happen. But it's definitely great to see on these shorter time frames the ability. By the way, this 1 hour candlestick chart actually caught a wonderful buying opportunity all the way up. So this is a 1 hour candlestick chart. This is orange juice, futures on orange juice. So it's quite a useful tool for those who are trading in a shorter time frame. I always say that combining the medium to longer term perspective of classic COT analysis with the shorter term abilities of the intraday indicator is something really, really great. And for those who are just joining in, I should point out that COT Base, as the name stands for, is focused on the Commitments of Traders report. We have a premium subscription service, basically what you see in my weekly reviews, but we have some very useful indicators. The Pro, which focuses on the Commitments of Traders report, so the classic part of things, giving you access to everything on the website. You can download the data, and you can actually plot it in NinjaTrader. And then we have the I, which stands for intraday indicators. There's the basic version, which basically shows you the signals themselves. So if we go back to this example, you can see the signals on the charts, and then the AfterSignal, which is kind of the upgraded version of it, where you get a chance to get these buy and sell signals. We have plenty of example charts, by the way, and videos. We did a great webinar in January. So if you want to get to understand what it's all about, then there's definitely material here. If you would like to get in contact with us, then of course these YouTube videos allow you to comment underneath the video, but you can definitely send us an email to info@cotbase.com, and we will be here to help you and assist you if you have any questions. So this is a very short COT review. Really, as you can see, we have not received just one report, one update. It's showing you the 31st of January report. But as you can see here, the announcement CFTC has put out, they are working very hard to get back up to date by mid-March. So just a couple of weeks and we should be back to normal. So thank you very much for your attention. I wish you guys a wonderful weekend, and if you have any questions, we're here to help you. Wishing you all the best. Take care. Goodbye.